A good great hello to everyone. In this video, we are going to see the most important fixed questions of engineering mechanics, which is asked for the uh, which is which is asked the most in the question papers of previous years. So let's see. The first one is the to find the resultant of the force system as shown in the figure. This question is almost repeated 2 to 3 times in last year previous year question papers. The second one is to find the force f of s so that to give the resultant. The second one is also resultant. This question is asked for almost 3 times, and this question is asked in the question number one section for almost five marks. It can be asked for 6 marks in question number two or three, but mostly it is asked in the question number one only. Next, it's the moment to find the moment and force. This one, like the question is like in the rocket arm shown in the figure, moment of F and about O balances that P is equals to 250. The value here will be changed, I think, in these questions, but the problem will remain same. The length will remain uh, I think same will remain same, but just the P will change uh, in the further papers. And this question is repeated 3 times in the previous years. The next one is using instantaneous center, that is ICR question, and this question is asked for almost 8 marks. This the concept is very easy. If you find the concept well, then you can easily solve it. This question is repeated 3 times, and if you want the answers of this, I have added the link in the description. You can click on that and buy the whole PDF. It's just for 249. It's not a course. It's just 249. Means there are 5 subjects, and each subject consists of 15 top most repeated questions. Just for 249, you can buy that, and link is in the description. Moving further, the next one is to link CD of the mechanism shown in the figure is rotating in counterclockwise direction at an angular velocity of 5 radian per second. For the given instances, determine the angular velocity of link AB. Means this question is almost same like ICR, but the concept is little different. But the problem is easy and is repeated 3 times. So I think this will be asked in this year paper also. Next question is to find a cylinder has a mass of 20 grams and is released from a rest. It's a practical question, so this will come, but the values here will be changed a little bit. So you just see the answer in the link which we will provide. Then you can see the answer and get the concept of how this question is solved. And this question is almost repeated 2 times. Moving further, the question is of horizontal surface or velocity shown in the figure, and to find that the rebound velocity of 135 Newton disk, and B is to assume that the impact is perfectly elastic. So this question is almost repeated 2 times. So I think this will be asked for almost 6 marks in question number 4 or 5. The next question is of centroid, and if you know, this question is almost asked for 8 marks, and this question is repeated 3 times. This question is asked in question number 2 or 3, but it's asked. It's almost easy, and you can solve if you know the concept, or you can get the answer in the description. Next one is to find a centroid. This question is repeated 3 times. I personally solved this question in the PDF which we will get, and it's easy. It's very easy. Next question is of support reaction. The support reaction questions are means the here the in support reaction questions the values does not change. So if you get the answer of this, and just by getting this question solved, you can get the concept cleared, by which any of the question you can solve. This question is repeated 3 times. Next one is of to find the value of P here, force, and which will holds the system in equilibrium. Take mu is equals to 0.25 at the floor and mu is equals to 0.25 at the wall here, and mu2 is between the blocks. Here you have to find the force between the two blocks placed. This question is repeated almost 3 times, like to find minimum value of force P. Yes, here, from here. Okay. So next question is cylinder A, diameter of 1 meter and weight of 20 kilonewton, and cylinder B of this 1.5 meter diameter and weight is 40 kilonewton are arranged in the figure, and find the reactions at all the constant points of all construct are smooth. This question is almost similar to the concept of this, but the like but it's little different, but the concept used are almost same, and this question is almost repeated 2 times. Moving further, we have question of vx graph, and it's asked for almost 6 marks in question number 5. Yes, in question number 5, and this this particular question is asked for almost 3 times in previous year questions. Next one is to find the distance traveled by the block and the time it will take as it comes to the rest. Like here, we have to find the distance traveled by the block time t, and it will take what time it will take before to coming to the rest. Here are given the weight and initial velocities. This question is repeated almost 3 times. Yes, so here all the question, top 15 questions are there, which we which will be asked on your Monday paper, that is 18 November 2024. So if you want the answers of these all questions and also of other subjects which we are remaining, like BEE and chemistry, I think, yes. So you can get all of them, all 15 most important repeated questions at just rupees 249. Like we are not selling any course of thousand rupees. We are just giving you all the answers of that at just rupees 249. So you can get the link in the description, get the answers, and yes. So thank you for watching. Keep learning.